Let's take a look at the main menu bar. Now this rests right here underneath the main menu bar. It's just a big, long, horizontal strip of buttons. And what I'm going to do is talk about these buttons in groups, because most of them are pretty simple. Some of them require a little bit of explanation. But just to keep things moving nice and steady, we'll just grab the really simple ones and group them all together. The first several are very straightforward, and most of them come right out of the File and Edit menu. We have Create a New Map, Open an Existing Map. It's pretty obvious what those do. Then we have a little tiny drop down here. This includes all of our recently opened maps if you want to open anything up. Now next to this we can save our map, so if you make any changes and want to save, just click on the little save icon and save all levels if you're using level streaming and you have several different maps or several different levels open at the same time. You can save them all simultaneously. Now next to this you have undo and redo. So you can just reach up here and click on these, and of course redo won't really be functional until you've undone something. So that's the first several buttons. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and end the video here, and then we'll move on and talk about some of the widget controls in the next video.